Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit on FxPro using USDT. So first of all, come here on fxpro.com and then select the option of login on the top right hand corner. Over here, you need to provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Now, when you do so, you are going to see your account over here. So first of all, in order to basically deposit funds, you need to select the option of funds. Then you will be landed here on the next page where you are going to see all of the methods like the local bank transfer and the cryptocurrency methods in order to basically deposit USDT to your FxPro account. Now, since you want to use the option of USDT, so you need to simply select it. And here in the right hand section, it is going to show you the networks. So you can select the Solana network, the BP20 network, TRC20 network, or the ERC20 network. Then it is going to show you the QR code and the address which you need to basically use in order to deposit USDT inside your FxPro account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.